Hello everyone, Benelli Nepal had just launched the 302S in Nepal with a price tag of 8.3 lakhs as an introductory and might go up to 8.8 lakhs in coming days. It's a next generation variant of 302R. It produces 38.26 bhp and 26.5 Nm of torque. It has a twin-cylinder engine, dual-channel ABS FI with inline two-cylinder four-stroke water-cooled valve. It has a 6 gears with 160 by 70 rear wheel and 120 by 80 front tire. It also got digital speedometer, tachometer, trip meter, odometer, clock, ABS light, gear display, fuel gauge, service reminder, low oil indicator, low battery indicator, fuel reserve indicator, that everything. This looks pretty sexy and has a great graphics. It looks really cool with your eyes. Let's hear the sound.